You're receiving the CyberStream System Update, your daily bite of cyber news. My name is Matt Cordell and I'm the COO of CyberStreams. We are your neighborhood IT department. Today's update, new Windows Update policy. In a significant development for IT management, the Windows Update for Business Deployment Service has introduced a new policy that grants IT administrators enhanced flexibility in handling feature updates for Windows 11. This update marks a departure from the previous approach where feature updates were automatically installed after a brief deferral period. The latest policy change is a boon for businesses' IT management efforts, offering several benefits. First, early feedback. IT admins can now gather valuable insights by allowing a subset of users to test the update before a broader rollout. Risk mitigation. Early testing enables the identification and resolution of issues, ensuring a smoother update process. And workflow efficiency. By making feature updates optional, users can schedule installations at their convenience, reducing work interruptions. I've put together 3 takeaways and next steps. First, security remains a priority. While feature updates have become optional, security updates remain mandatory. This is crucial for safeguarding devices against evolving cyber threats. Regular security patches are essential for fixing vulnerabilities and protecting sensitive company data. Second, customizing your policy with Intune. Microsoft Intune, a cloud-based management platform, plays a pivotal role in deploying and monitoring these optional feature updates. IT admins can create deployment profiles, set configurations, and utilize monitoring tools to oversee the update process effectively. And third, a positive change for IT teams. While quality MSPs like CyberStreams have maintained powerful patch management solutions which provide these features and more for years, this policy update makes these feature sets available to more organizations and pushes them into new tool sets that MSPs and IT staff can use to deliver a more custom experience to manage feature updates proactively, providing secure, stable, and predictable experience to users. It reflects a commitment to providing organizations with greater control and flexibility, ultimately leading to improved productivity and cybersecurity. For more information on this story or how CyberStreams can help you understand your CyberFit score using our proprietary CyberFit assessment, check out the description or comments accompanying this content. This concludes your CyberStreams system update, and this is Matt Cordell signing off.